Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be presenting a review of the paper, Smart Grid, the Future of the Electric Energy System by Roger Anderson, Riza Gofarian, and Hamid Garavi. This paper explores how our electric energy systems can evolve into a more intelligent, efficient, and sustainable network, what we call the smart grid. The main goal of the paper is to discuss the future of the electric energy system. It covers the full spectrum of the power system, from generation to substation to distribution and all the way to the consumer. The objectives are to first define the smart grid, second, identify why the conventional grid must change. Third, discuss the intelligence and feedback systems required for this transition. And fourth, examine the major technical challenge involved. This is a conceptual paper. It doesn't test hypotheses, but instead propose how technology, efficiency, and policy can modernize our electric grid. The author asks key questions such as how can intelligent computer and hardware technologies modernize the grid? What features are required? For example, renewable integration and cybersecurity. And what control methods, especially adaptive stochastic control, can handle new complexities like distributed generation and variable demand. This paper is mainly based on review and conceptual modeling. The author examined existing studies and technologies such as advanced metering infrastructure, or AMI, and microgrids to model what a smart grid should look like. The proposed adaptive stochastic control, or ASC, which uses techniques like approximate dynamic programming, mixed integer nonlinear programming, and real options evaluation to solve complex, uncertain control problems. The authors define the smart grid as a system that uses information, a two-way, cyber-secure communication, and computational intelligence across the entire power networks. The smart grid should be clean, safe, secure, reliable, resilient, efficient, and sustainable. It should also support renewable integration, energy storage, electric vehicles, and active customer participation. So to make the smart grid possible, we need intelligent components such as AMI, energy storage system, microgrids, and emerging nanotechnologies. Controller must be self-healing, predictive, and optimized, able to diagnose fault instantly and anticipate events using machine learning and autonomously optimize electric flow. There are several major challenges: cost and affordability, a long implementation timeline. The paper suggests 20 to 30 years, the need for continuous performance metrics, stakeholder buy-in, up-to-date regulation, and education to create engineers with systems and computing skills. The paper also notes that traditional linear economic analysis may be insufficient and that more advanced control and valuation techniques are needed. So, yeah, in conclusion, the smart grid represents the next stage in electric power evolution, a shift from passive delivery to an intelligent, dynamic, and sustainable system. This paper offers a vision and a computational roadmap to achieve that transition. So that's all for my presentation. I hope you get some uh, information from me about this paper. Thank you.